Hey guys, welcome to my humble kitchen, and today I'm excited to be cooking low-carb biscuits, and we're going to be using almond flour and coconut flour. So I'm not going to say it's paleo friendly because it does require butter, and butter is not compliant on the paleo diet, but I will say it's primal, it's animal-based, approved, and it's low carb, so therefore it's keto friendly, and I'm gonna just walk you through it, and let's get started.
So I got this recipe from thebigmansworld.com, and I'll leave a description, I'll leave a link in the description box. So we want to start with 2/3 cup of coconut flour sifted, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of butter or coconut oil, 8 large eggs, and if you want to make like the cheddary Red Lobster-esque biscuits, you can add a half a cup of shredded cheese, which I opted not to do because I don't like cheese. All right, so I'm just combining the baking powder and the sifted DIY coconut flour, and I added the 8 large eggs combined with the melted butter, and you want to do about a half a cup of butter, as I said, 8 large eggs, and then I added the dry mixture of the flour and baking soda to the egg butter mixture. Mix it all together very well until smooth. I take like that pasta spork thing, and I just like the way it really mixes it well. And then just by the spoonful, add it on parchment paper. It makes about 12. Then pop it in the oven for about 28 minutes, give or take, and then it comes out of the oven so nicely. But let it cool first because the parchment paper could possibly stick to the biscuits. But once it cools, you can just take a spatula, lift them off.
Well guys, that wraps up the low-carb biscuits, and I am ready to dig in, and I'm going to spread some nice grass-fed butter on it, and I'm going to enjoy this low-carb snack guilt-free. Stay tuned for more recipes, and I'll see you guys soon.